Last time you challenged us.
And this time we challenge you, Mr. Cim Fried Paints.
So be ready.
You dare challenge me?
Yeah.
Well, I humbly accept.
We challenge you to do something with glitter.
Hooker dust.
Something with collage.
We got some magazines.
You
The
picked
last
the
is
last
up
one.
to you.
Yeah, you picked the last.
We got our watercolors.
Okay, you pick watercolor. Last time we did a Bob Ross painting with Cim Fried, so we're doing this in the spirit, the Holy Spirit of Bob Ross.
Oh yeah. Shine down on us and grant us with your powers.
Shall we begin?
We shall.
Now I need to find some mountains.
Should we show our final piece?
Yes.
Our masterpiece?
Yes.
Okay, help me reveal. Oh! Oh! Oh!
That's not it. Oopsies.
Oh.
Wrong one. For now.
Yeah.
Got it wrong.
We fucked up. Here's our actual pieces. Dun, 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 dun. Bam! Whoa!
And here we have the final result. I'm having a hard time with glare. But I even found Andreas. And then I figured I'd throw Reina in there too. Honestly, guys, this was such a blast. I had so much fun. I've never done anything like this before. I'm really pleased. I love it. I had fun. Can't wait to do the next one.
I want to do more challenges with you guys.
Yeah, we should do another challenge.
It's so fun.
Definitely. Let's show them all together.
Yeah.
The grand finale.
Yeah.
Bye-bye! Really?
Oh, I need to put this on. Jesus, man. Fucking tell me.
Quiet on set!
Ah! That's right.
What are you doing? All right, cut.
That's right. Okay, I'm done. I'm sorry.
God.
I can't.